Unleash your inner photo genius with Adobe Creative Cloud Photography Plan. Edit, create and sync like a pro. Ready to level up your photo editing game? If you're tired of clunky software that leaves you frustrated, the Adobe Creative Cloud Photography Plan 1 TB is here to rescue your workflow. Combining Photoshop and Lightroom with 1 TB of cloud storage, this plan is a photographer's dream come true. Whether you're a seasoned pro or an aspiring snap-happy novice, this all-in-one toolset gives you everything you need to create jaw-dropping images and edits. No more switching between apps or worrying about your workflow slowing down. Say hello to seamless editing, syncing, and creative freedom wherever you go. Why settle for average when you can have the best? The Adobe Creative Cloud Photography Plan stands leagues above the rest with its unbeatable combination of industry-leading tools like Lightroom, Photoshop, and Lightroom Classic. Unlike other photo editing suites that force you to choose between features or apps, this plan offers full access to the most advanced tools, all synchronized to work across your devices. From mobile to desktop, the syncing magic lets you edit on the go without missing a beat. Plus, with AI-powered features like Generative Remove and Lens Blur, your photos will have that polished, pro-level finish every time. Need tools that work as fast as your ideas? Adobe's generative AI tools let you work faster, smarter, and better. Imagine instantly transforming images with Generative Expand and Generative Fill, which allow you to add, remove, or extend content with just a few simple commands. In Photoshop, you can effortlessly remove distractions or add elements to your images with distraction removal, all while saving valuable time. When you combine these AI-powered features with Lightroom's easy-to-use sliders and presets, you'll cut editing time in half, leaving you more room for creativity and new projects. It's tech-tested and proven to boost your productivity. Why is this plan a game-changer for your photography? 1 TB of cloud storage means you can store your images and sync them across all your devices without ever worrying about space. Whether you're editing a batch of raw files or creating custom designs, the cloud ensures that your library is accessible wherever you are. Lightroom lets you organize, edit, and share photos on mobile, desktop, or web seamlessly. Plus, you can take your edits to Photoshop and make those images come alive with advanced retouching, design tools, and the power of Adobe's Firefly AI. You're never tied to one location or device, your creative freedom is limitless. What's the real value? The Adobe Creative Cloud Photography Plan isn't just a bundle, it's a professional toolkit packed with everything you need to edit, enhance, and organize your photos with precision and ease. From 360-degree photo editing to easy syncing across devices, this plan lets you work from anywhere without compromising quality or time. With features like step-by-step tutorials, regular updates, and 500 monthly AI credits, it's an investment in your skills and workflow. For photographers and graphic designers, this plan saves time, money, and frustration, delivering pro-grade results every time. The best part? It's affordable, giving you top-tier tools without breaking the bank.